Hey, what's up, guys? This is Junior Master Animatronics TV here. This is the Mockingbird. This Mockingbird was a few of them made by Jimmy. This one isn't made by Jimmy. I can tell because this doesn't really say it at all. The back, the side, and the side. These things does come off, but I don't want to take them off. This thing. Takes 6 AA batteries. It turns on. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Good. Oh, and this is the Izzes and the Zizzles. But that's the Izzes and the Zizzles. It needs batteries. This is from 2005. I can't find the lid, so I think the lid is somewhere in my room. I hope I didn't throw out the lid. Lid has got to be here somewhere. The lid is coming. It's kind of be here somewhere, but I don't know if it's lost or not. I think it's lost. Yep, I think it's lost. So it doesn't do anything now, but I hope I find the lid for it. For this. And I do have this Logo Raptor. It doesn't have batteries in it. I don't have a screwdriver. So the batteries are in the bud, but I can't take the batteries out because I need a screwdriver. And this is a snowman decoration I got. You can put it up close. This is a snowman decoration I got. You can put a light bulb in there, and then you can turn it on, and it lights up. And this is the gorilla that needs the voice box, but the voice box is not in it no more. But when you just try me, it does something, but it doesn't do anything. And the last thing, the other thing to show you, this is a Gresco, a red panda. A Gresco is a joke. And the other last thing that I have have this Santa Claus pillow. So let me show you around this room. This room is completely empty. My TV, my radio, television, my bed. You want to see something? This is me. This is me. And also the movies all before the games. This is Jenny and this is SpongeBob. Two CDs. I'm using a Jimmy Douglas Philips 6-volt for the speakers so I can hear from my computer. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe.